वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलम् श्यामलां मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्. Happy Independence Day, children, and all the parents. This is our 74th Independence Day, and today we are celebrating it with great zeal, but sitting at home because the situation is like this. But we are celebrating because it's our Independence Day. We are living in a independent country. So, children, now I'm going to tell you that what is independence. Independence means free. You are free. Just imagine one day you woke up before your mama and you brushed your teeth. Then you open the door of the fridge and take out the milk from the fridge, and you try to pour it in a glass. And while you were pouring the milk in your glass, you spilled milk on the floor. And after seeing this, you felt very, very happy and you laughed a lot. No one is there who can scold you that time. Because whatever you have done, if your mama was present there, then she must scold you. What are you doing? So that is free. That is freedom. You know? And let me tell you one story. One day, a lion was sleeping in a jungle under a tree. And that time, a mouse came there, and when it saw that the lion is sleeping, what it did, you know? It started disturbing the lion. After some time, the lion woke up and it started roaring. What are you doing? Why are you disturbing me? The mouse pleaded. Oh, sorry, the king of the jungle. Please, please forgive me. I will not do it again. Please, no. I will kill you. No, no, please. I am a very, very little animal and you are the king of the jungle. Please, please, please forgive me. The lion said, okay, get lost from here. Don't disturb me. Thank you, king. Thank you, king. But one day I will save your life because today you saved me. After some day, there came some hunter in the jungle and they caught the lion in a net. And after trapped in this net, the lion was very scared and it was started roaring. Please help me. Anyone is there who can help me? Please, please take out me from this net. As soon as the mouse heard the voice of the king of the jungle, it came there and slowly it cut the net. And now what was the position of the lion? It was free. This is called freedom. A bird. You have seen some bird we keep in our home in a cage. isn't it? We love to talk to them. And some birds which are flying on the sky, they are much happy than the bird who is captive in a cage. Okay, so what is freedom? Freedom means sometimes you are doing something and nobody telling you, don't do this beta, don't do that beta. Okay, you can do, if you want to draw something, you can draw. If you trying to dance, you can dance. All these things are free, means freedom. जो कि आप अपने आप कर सकते हो, जब आपको कोई नहीं टोक रहा है, कोई नहीं रोक रहा है, तो दैट इज फ्रीडम. ओके, 1947 15th August, our country became free. তো কি হয়েছিল? কোথা থেকে ফ্রি হলো? কেন ফ্রি হলো? কি হয়েছিল? 1757 to 1947 Britishers were ruling over our country. ওকে, তো আমরা আমাদের দেশেই কিন্তু দাসত্ব জীবন যাপন করছিলাম. আমরা সবাই বন্দী ছিলাম. আর আমাদের দেশ ভারতবর্ষ, সেই ভারত মাতাকেও এক প্রকারে ইংরেজরা বন্দী বানিয়ে রেখেছিল. তো আমাদের দেশের লোকেরা একটা সময় তারা জেগে উঠলো, তারা বলল এটা আমাদের দেশ, ইজ আওয়ার কান্ট্রি. তো তখন ওরা কি করলো? ওরা সবাই মিলে ফাইট করতে শুরু করলো এগেইনস্ট দ্য ব্রিটিশার্স. অ্যান্ড আফটার অ্যাপ্রক্স 200 of years we got freedom. So that is why every year on 15th August we celebrate the Independence Day with great zeal. So happy Independence Day, children. Thank you.